Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody guys, today we again will take a look at the euro currency because here again once more we see some irrational behavior, but this time it stands not on the daily but on intraday charts. And as last week the core in the center of our attention was the daily chart, because here we have discussed this situation with not normal behavior after the hand shoulders had been formed. And we said that this price action looks not correct, if we could call it in this manner, if you could talk about the market behavior as correct and incorrect. So, but this was incorrect behavior, and we said that it probably could lead to the really fast acceleration, because stops that have been placed above the neckline probably will lead to the further further upward acceleration here. And that has happened. So as you can see, upward action has been stopped by daily overbought, reaching of the monthly pivot resistance one. It's also a fib level, 50% resistance of the whole move down stand. So market has stopped here for some time and now is forming some kind of the flag pattern or tight consolidation. Since most time of last week market has spent inside this consolidation, we could bring here nothing more on daily chart, because everything we have discussed in daily videos now updates. So situation on daily chart mostly stands the same. We are keeping in mind possible double repo sell pattern, Jordan-Apple reversal pattern on the weekly chart, and we still suggest, so based on this pattern, that market indeed could continue move up within the few weeks probably, and to form approximately the same top as it was here. So somewhere in around 121 area, maybe slightly higher, maybe slightly lower, but that will be somewhere in this area. That's our expectation for 1-2 weeks probably. Now we are mostly interested with this retracement. So what market shows here, what patterns could be formed, and what setups we could wait and see for possible trading on the coming week. And here we have some surprises. So if you'll take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, recall what we said on Friday. We said market has hit resistance, formed perfect bearish engulfing, or better to say evening star, because this is free candle pattern. I will increase the scale a bit just to show you better. Right? And we said that's great. So after dropping, it should show 618 retracement. That usually happens. Normal price behavior with the forming of the some kind of the engulfing type of the pattern. Indeed, this has happened. On Friday we said, well, that's perfect. Watch for possible taking a short based on this ABCD pattern that could lead you back to the 1720 area. And indeed, as this has been formed, market start move down. It's very clear and anticipated action has happened. So as a result, we should get some kind of the Gartner's triple to buy that could let us to take the long position somewhere around 1720. This is very good area, because potentially, guys, as you can see, this is previous lows, confidence support 7020, 7040, and agreement, because the AB equals CD downside target also stands in this area. So a perfect combination for the taking long position. Thrust up is very good, so it's very good retracement. Also, potentially, guys, here you could recognize reverse hand shoulders pattern, so that could become left shoulder, head, right shoulder. So also stands at the same lows. You can see this area, confidence support stands at the same lows as here and here, so very harmonic. And this could put the starting point for the upward continuation right to the 120 area. So that's the large trading plan, right? And we have hope that this will happen with this ABCD. But the action that I saw at the end of the Friday session looks not quite normal, because this action, guys, that we see here looks too slow. Because if you'll take a look at the hourly chart, you will see that, as I have mentioned here, too slow action for extension phase. Indeed, because this is extension, this should be contraction, right, retracement, and that should be extension with our ABCD. But what we see in reality, this action is stronger and faster than this one. This is too choppy, too sloppy action. And it seems that here we have some kind of regardless triple two buy. So I'll take a look first up, AB equals CD retracement. Market stands in a sloppy and sideways action. Also is creating some kind of the bullish dynamic pressure, because price action has turned trend bearish, but it stands flat, no downward continuation. And definitely we do not see here something of that sort. So this price behavior is not normal for ABCD pattern. That's why my suggestion is that before real retracement down will start with the 4-hour time frame chart, this drop, market could show, at least chances right now are significant, I think, it could show another upward leg before final retracement will start. This upward leg could happen in two ways. The first way is just AB equals CD, and it could be regardless triple to sell, right, and it could be formed. So it will not be the butterfly, it will be some kind of this action, right? AB, CD pattern, right? Or second way is a drawn it butterfly. So actually, butterfly is the failure regardless triple to sell. So why I have drawn the butterfly? Because actually, guys, the forming ABCD retracement inside of the engulfing pattern is really rare thing. It happens quite rare. Usually just one leg retracement after engulfing and downward extension. As market has turned to the ABCD action, it's more possible, by my opinion, that this engulfing will be washed out. So it will be vanished and failed by this butterfly. The target of the butterfly stands also in this important area, so it coincides with the weekly pivot resistance one. It's approximately 118.85. And what is more important, that the top of this butterfly, the potential reversal point of the butterfly, coincides with the 4-hour time frame chart top. So approximately 1880. So that could become the neckline of the hand and shoulders that we have talked about. And reversal from the neckline looks very logical, right? So appearing of the butterfly and downside reversal to form the right shoulder. So that's what we will be looking for on euro currency on Monday. That's important nuance here that we see on the hourly chart. These price actions very important. So if you would like to take the short position, you should wait when the butterfly will work out. So you could watch for a short in this area. If butterfly will be erased and market indeed will start move down here and will drop below 1750, well, potentially you could try to take the short position, but take a look. The target will stand very close. It's approximately 1720 and it's just 30 pips potential. It will be very difficult to jump in these circumstances. That's why if even butterfly will fail, you probably will not have enough time to take the position. That's why I think that the only chance to go short, if you would like to, it will be on around 118.80 area, as soon as the butterfly will be completed. If you're a bull trader, you could watch for a butterfly, of course, taking the position with the stops against these lows. Or if butterfly will fail, in this case we'll return back to the scenario that we have on the 4-hour time frame chart. In this case, indeed, we continue to watch for regardless triple to buy and taking the position around 1720. So that's the trading plan for the Monday. Let's see what we will get.